Alright, what's up YouTube? This is gonna be episode 1. We are gonna play Sons of the Forest. I'm playing with my friend right now. There are gonna be more episodes to come, so keep watching. Alright, let's start it. Oh,
Oh, game is finally starting. Let's go. But yeah,
alright, shut up,
that
bro,
didn't
shut up,
happen to
bro.
me because I had OBS open, Google Chrome.
Oh, shoot.
What's poppin', young
Oh,
thug?
S to skip. Alright, we in the helicopter right now.
Use a legend.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I can look around. Edward Puffton, age 63.
Of course it's raining.
You
Why am
think
I
we gotta
black?
find these people buried? Alright, close the laptop, close the laptop.
What's called? Bro, I feel like why is my character black? I feel like I'm about to rob someone, my boy. I just got the villain. I just got the
Oh
villain to
shoot!
start running.
This is scary.
I got C4. Legs.
I like how we're
Wanna
crashing in a
know.
helicopter, because in the first game we crashed in a oh my god, in a plane, yeah.
A plane.
Oh my god, that's scary, bro. Are you in the water? Oh shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you coming to the shore?
Oh.
Um.
Uh-oh. Oh my god, who is that? I'm on the shore, I'm on the shore. Alright, I got my pack. I got my utility bag.
It was popping, young thug.
Alright, we're in.
Bro.
Why are you floating? Alright, let
I
me help
don't
Kevin
know.
out. That's his name, right?
I think it's I
Kelvin.
think his name's Kelvin or something. Why am I floating? This dude retarded. He's higher than a space shuttle right now, my boy. I mean, I can't really see. I'm just doing the greedy on top of his
We're not
head. But
playing
like,
Fortnite right now.
I got C4.
C4?
Hopefully
How'd
that's
you
not a
get
concern.
C4? Oh, his
It
name
was in
is
one of the
Kelvin.
containers.
Oh!
I didn't mean to hit you. I didn't mean to hit
Watch out. We could
you.
easily die. Hold up. Yeah, Kelvin. Okay. How do I access? Oh,
I got cereal.
you what?
I have cereal. I don't know how. Hey, what's it called? Where
I
should we
say right
start
here on the
building?
shore. Yeah.
Just right here? Alright, let's make like a
Alright.
little house. And after we could probably go in what's called explore, try and get better loot.
Easy.
What we need to do is make some fish traps so we can get some easy fish or some easy
I
food.
have no idea. Hunting is hard. I know that's gonna.
Alright,
We're just kind of craft
what's it called?
spears.
let's just gather up on. Yeah, let's just gather up on some logs at the
Alright.
moment.
Oh, we're right next to a cave. Yeah.
Oh, we are.
Oh shoot, it's right there. Look, come here,
I
come here, come
bet.
here, come here.
Hey, wait, don't go explore it
No,
yet.
like it's literally right here.
Oh, dang. What's called? We'll go explore that in a minute after we get what's called because I have enough stuff to make a
A
what's
house?
called what yeah no
Oh.
I have enough to make a bed, so we can make a bed in just a minute.
Oh, watch out! Okay, one thing I do know about this game. Oh.
Why'd you
I'm
run
about to
into
die.
that?
One thing I do know about this game is that there's a pistol you can get, and it's
Oh yeah, there's like a pistol, shotgun, and what's called like an end game item like
dang.
a
No, I think
katana or
katana's in the
something.
last game.
I think.
I'll just get resources.
Alright, so the base is gonna be this long for starters, and I just tried hitting a rock. I'm actually special ed. The base will be.
Oh
I say the
shoot!
base could be like one more of this
Parkour.
stud right here.
Oh, I messed up.
I the base will be about
That's
this
perfect.
long.
We should try to make multiple floors.
Yeah. This will be the main base, and then as we go on, there'll
A
be like more
turtle!
bases to like what's called spiders. Kill it, kill it, kill it. We can
I
use the
already named
shell.
him Ted. Sorry, Ted.
You said some sorry to because we can
Oh,
make a
that's
water
right.
catcher with that.
Clean water.
What's called you need
No, I don't think so.
heals
Oh, this is so nasty.
because what's because I can give
Already
you
got,
heals if you
actually,
need
I'm
some.
full health, and I still got some more meds.
In a minute, I'm gonna make some what's called fish traps so we can what's it called like get like better food.
Alright.
We can
Yeah,
start
we need to
building
make.
defense.
I think we should just make one. Oh shoot! Are there water monsters?
No, they can't. I don't think they can swim, and
Oh,
I
okay.
don't think they spawn in water.
We should just make a long wall right here, so they can't.
Right here. Well, and they'll be able to get in like right here too. So we'll have to make. Oh yeah, we'll have to make like a giant wall. There you go.
Kevin's kind of like our best friend right now. I mean, sorry, Kelvin.
Yeah. It doesn't matter what you call him. Like you can call him you can call him gay for instance, and he still
Oh,
responds.
yeah.
Right.
Oh, this is so crazy. Oh my god! Come here.
What?
Come here. Come here, bud.
What? Let me pick up this stick real quick. What'd
What
you
is
find?
this, bruh?
Whoa!
Yeah.
Yacht! Yacht!
Oh
Bro!
my! It's the
Look!
bottom
Look!
half.
Look at that! Look at that yacht! Oh shit! Oh flip! Kelvin, don't break down the house
That
now.
was close. Dying to a tree falling is the worst thing possible.
For real.
I'm just
Sorry,
getting
I'm making
sticks
the
so we can
ramp.
make other stuff.
I what's called try and make a rain
Oh yeah, we
catcher
can already make
first.
that.
Cause let's go. Yeah. Having a rain catcher will help out big time.
Alright, where would that be at?
I think in the basic. I think I'm not sure. Right. Because what's it called? We're gonna need some like water fast. All right.
It's gonna be right here. Hey!
Right where?
I'm so this
I
is
bet.
so nasty.
What is? Let me see. Let me see.
Oh shoot! You
Iron
actually made
Woodley.
a really cool house. Hey, this is my room.
Appreciate. Appreciate. Man, freak you, man.
Oh, let me craft a spear real quick.
Did you just take out the walkie-talkie?
I know I have the same button for walkie-talkie.
Hey, what's
What?
poppin', young
Oh, you
thug?
turn that off.
What's poppin'? I
Okay,
didn't
mute
mean to
that,
do
mute that, mute that.
that. No.
Alright, I already got a spear.
I I don't know how to put the walkie-talkie up.
Bro, what if I
Oh,
hit
it's
you with the
T.
spear, bro?
Bro, it'll take that up.
Turn your
No, no, no,
walkie-talkie
no.
off. Alright, let me help you out. Oh, are you splitting them? How do I split them?
Just toss them down and just hit them, or just go right here. It'll show a split button, like this. Look,
Oh.
like this. See? Here, while you finish up the floors, I'm gonna build the walls.
Oh, does it matter the direction that they go?
No, it doesn't matter.
I'm gonna just chop a whole bunch
Alright.
of trees down.
I've done it before.
It's
It's
fun.
stressful but fun.
I missed!
Ain't no way.
Dang
How
it,
did
bro.
you
It's so
miss?
annoying.
Here,
I got one!
I'm building the door.
Yeah.
No way. I think they drop feathers.
Oh, bird meat. Oh, they do drop feathers.
I think they're used to like craft
Yeah.
arrows or something.
Oh, the feathers are like in the air. You can catch them.
I'm building the door.
Land, little birdies. Yeah, this body got nothing on him.
Alright.
I like how whenever you sleep, it doesn't just skip to morning. It skips to like 12 hours, I guess. Or 20. Yeah, 12 hours.
Yeah.
Easy. Let me save.
Alright. Game is saved.
Oh.
I go to bed, young thug.
Ooh. That was a good, nice rest.
We need water.
Oh,
Like,
shoot,
badly.
we do. Did you drink all of it? Oh, there's not even any.
No.
Dang.
There was no water in there.
You
Dude,
can?
you can't drink this.
Oh,
Can't drink the
no.
water right there.
Find a water source.
I'm gonna go try and...
Oh, wait, we can
That's
see on
what
the
I'm
map.
gonna do.
There's one straight over here. Just go to the river.
Alright, day 2, 7:48.
Oh, for real?
Hey, I found Virginia again.
Is that her actual name, or are you just saying that?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's her actual name.
Do you know the way? Why is she so scared? She just
Oh, this
booked
guy.
it. No.
Lost. I got a grenade and a C4 brick.
I'm coming to you.
And I got vodka.
How far did you go?
I went really far,
And you
so
got there
like,
quick.
I just ran the entire way. But I did get a lot of what's called. I got another MRE. There's some mushrooms here. Up
And
this
what
hill.
spider thing?
Oh, it's things that crawl
Oh,
on
yep.
all fours.
That's what's chasing me.
Bro, my thing is going off like crazy.
Oh, I found a campsite. But it's not the one you're at.
Oh no, I have, but what's called? Look, once you start getting up here, your GPS starts like
Oh,
beeping
shoot,
like
you're right.
hella crazy.
Oh, what is that?
But look at
Where'd
my
you
axe,
get that
look at
at?
my axe. I got it down here. Do you not
Oh,
see the
this is
tents
what
and
you were
everything down
talking
here?
about.
Yeah. Oh my. Look how fast I break down this tree.
Oh, shoot! Oh, you're chopping now.
And
Where'd
it's
you
down.
find it?
What? You get it right here.
Oh, I see it! Oh, shoot! Hold on, wait, let me get to this
All right,
stuff.
follow me.
Oh, wait, oh, shoot.
And then
Wait,
where
what does this
where
say?
Kelvin's at is where we'll go.
So
We
you
got
don't
this
know what
new
the exclamation
axe.
point is?
No.
Wait up, wait up, wait up, wait up.
Just on the brink here, collect blueberries because they will help. They will help with like hunger and everything. Here, I gotta eat real quick.
What y'all eating, bro?
I'm eating cereal. I just ate Cheerios, off-brand Cheerios.
What is that? A golf cart? Right here.
Wait, where? There's a battery.
Golf cart.
Golf cart
Whoa.
battery,
Can we fix it up?
and that's it. Oh, go in here, right here, right here. Wait, what? You just slid on the wall.
What?
Yo, 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 yo!
Oh my god!
Look!
Wait a minute! This is the printer!
Oh yeah! There's a book in
Yo!
here. Oh, don't scare me like that, cuh. I got light bulbs. What else? Hey, grab the tape, grab the tape.
Okay, hold up. I'm still
Grab
looking at
everything
this
that'll
book.
be useful.
Yo! Oh, look at all this. Arrows.
Hey,
Flask?
I can make a flask. Yeah, like a water flask. That'll help us with like water.
That's so dope.
And then you have
Yeah,
some
let me see how much I
3D
got.
resin, right? Alright,
I have 400.
that's it. 400, same, I think.
Oh, wait. Let me see what you can make. Let me see what you can make.
Ooh, a GPS case. I'm gonna make that.
Me too.
I got a
I wonder if we
book.
can read it.
I think it's just was
Ooh,
probably
okay,
can't
let me
need
try, let
it.
me try, let me try, let me try. Oh,
All right.
dang it.
3D printed
I made
GPS
another
case
one.
collected. Here. Hey, there's more 3D resin in it. But here, while you're doing
Yeah, me
that,
too, me too, me too, me
I'm gonna
too.
go explore down here. All right, I got out my chunk of an axe. Hey, watch
What
out!
is
Watch
this
where you swing
above
that
us?
thing,
That's
Tyler.
creepy.
Done.
Oh,
Yo,
what is that?
the hell? I gotta watch. Sounds like some dude's
We need a key card, bro.
like
I think that's
doing
the end of the
something.
game.
Oh, what is happening over there? So this place is somewhat useful, but not useful so far. Right. At least we can listen to tunes. Alright, this kind of goes hard. Is that a propeller? It is.
Oh, we can't get it.
Right.
Oh,
That'll be
there's
useful.
two.
Hey, there's
I
tons
know.
of there's hella
I already got
arrows right here.
this.
Hey, what's going?
All right, nice.
I saved the game. I saved the game.
Tick mesh. What's this? We probably need it.
Here. Hey, I'm gonna make a sled after this real quick. I have 3 buckshots. I have 11 9mm ammo.
Oh
I have
shoot!
rifle ammo. What? I got
I
wire,
have a grenade
7 duct tape.
and 3D printed GPS case. We already have a GPS. What is that though? Golf cart batteries.
I have 3 solar panels, 3D printed GPS case,
Oh,
radio.
what's
I have
it doing?
252 printer resin. Alright. Oh yeah, you can easily.
Empty.
Oh yeah, I think it's still.
I ran out of printer stuff. Nice.
I got you.
Hey.
Now I want to make a sled. Hold on, hold on.
Oh,
I gotta see
do
what's
you have enough for a sled? Cause a sled
mass.
is 1,000. No, why'd you do it then?
No.
Cancel it.
Wait,
I
how
had
did you make a
enough.
sled?
I ran out though.
Alright. Alright, let's head out.
You know
Let's
what?
go
I
try
think
and
I'm gonna
find
end
some
the
more
episode
stuff.
on this. Let's save the game right here.